you've spent decades appreciating fine automobiles, you develop a sixth sense for authenticity. The 2027 Maserati Grecale doesn't just promise luxury comfort. It fundamentally reimagines what comfort means in a luxury SUV. Most manufacturers equate comfort with excessive cushioning and isolated cabins. Maserati took a different path, one that prioritizes harmony between driver, machine, and environment. What strikes me most is their willingness to challenge the German playbook that has dominated this segment for years. This isn't about adding more massage functions or softer leather. The Grecale addresses something far more valuable for those of us who actually spend hours behind the wheel: sustainable, restorative comfort that doesn't fatigue. The front fascia represents Maserati's most confident design statement in their SUV lineup. The signature trident sits prominently within a grille that manages aggressive presence without the brutish proportions we see in many performance SUVs. What's particularly clever is how the lower air intakes have been sculpted not just for aesthetics, but to channel airflow in ways that reduce wind noise at highway speeds. The headlamp clusters integrate advanced LED technology while maintaining proportions that feel properly Italian, avoiding the overwrought complexity that plagues some German competitors. In my assessment, this front end strikes an ideal balance between road presence and refinement, something that matters when you're arriving at business meetings or country clubs across Europe and America. The rear design reveals Maserati's understanding of visual weight distribution. The slim taillamp signature connects across the tailgate, creating width without bulk. Notice how the rear quarter panels have subtle muscular surfacing that suggests performance capability without resorting to fake vents or excessive character lines. The dual exhaust outlets are properly integrated, not merely decorative additions. What impresses me here is the restraint. Where many luxury SUVs try too hard to look sporty from behind, the Grecale maintains elegance. The roofline taper is aerodynamically purposeful, contributing to that reduced wind resistance I mentioned, which translates directly to quieter cruising, a detail that seasoned drivers genuinely appreciate on those long motorway stretches between cities. Step inside and the dashboard architecture immediately signals a different philosophy. Rather than the overwhelming screen dominance we see in modern luxury vehicles, Maserati has created layered zones of interaction. The primary instrument cluster sits directly in the driver's sightline, angled slightly for optimal viewing without head movement. Premium materials extend across the entire beam, not just the center stack. What distinguishes this interior is the tactile quality of every surface. The leather wrap feels substantial, properly broken in from the factory. Metal switchgear operates with mechanical precision that reminds you of fine watchmaking. Personally, I find this approach more sustainable for long-term ownership. Screens age poorly, but quality materials and thoughtful ergonomics remain satisfying year after year. The front seats deserve particular attention because they represent genuine innovation in comfort science. Maserati collaborated with orthopedic specialists to develop a seat structure that supports extended driving without the typical pressure points. The cushioning uses progressive density foam, firmer at the base for support, softer at contact points for comfort. Seat heating and ventilation are standard, but the massage function goes beyond simple vibration. It uses pneumatic adjustments that subtly shift support zones during long drives, preventing the fatigue that even the best static seats eventually cause. The rear seats offer limousine-like space with executive-level comfort. This matters tremendously for those who frequently travel with colleagues or family. The rear outboard positions feature independent climate controls and subtle under-thigh support adjustment, acknowledging that passengers deserve the same consideration as drivers. The infotainment architecture reflects mature thinking about technology integration. The central touchscreen measures a sensible size, large enough for clear visibility, but not so dominant that it overwhelms the cabin's elegance. The interface runs Maserati's latest generation software, which prioritizes intuitive navigation over flashy graphics. What I appreciate most is the retention of physical controls for climate and audio volume. For drivers of our generation who remember when cars had proper buttons and knobs, this hybrid approach feels vastly more usable than touch-only systems that require menu diving while driving. The sound system, developed with premium audio specialists, delivers concert hall acoustics without excessive speaker count or subwoofer intrusion into cargo space. The driver assistance package includes adaptive cruise control with genuine intelligence, learning your driving style rather than imposing overly cautious parameters. Lane keeping assistance operates subtly, guiding rather than jerking. The surround view camera system proves invaluable in tight European city centers or crowded American parking structures. Maserati has integrated these technologies without the condescending over-assistance that makes some luxury vehicles feel like you're not trusted to actually drive. Connectivity options accommodate international travelers seamlessly, with multiple device pairing and hotspot capability that actually maintains stable connections. The head-up display projects essential information without cluttering your forward vision, a balance many competitors still haven't mastered. What sets this technology suite apart is the philosophy: enhancement, not replacement of the driving experience. The powertrain options balance performance heritage with modern efficiency expectations. The base mild hybrid delivers ample power for confident highway merging while returning respectable fuel economy for the segment. The available plug-in hybrid variant offers meaningful electric-only range for urban commuting without the anxiety of pure electric operation. What matters most from a comfort perspective is the refinement. Engine mounts and sound insulation create a cabin environment where powertrain noise intrudes only when you want it to. The suspension tuning deserves special mention. Maserati engineers have achieved that elusive combination of control without harshness. Road imperfections are absorbed rather than transmitted, yet the chassis communicates road surface character with clarity. This creates confidence-inspiring dynamics for spirited driving while maintaining serenity during relaxed cruising. The steering weight calibration feels natural, requiring actual effort that provides feedback, avoiding the artificially heavy or video game light extremes we find elsewhere. The 2027 Maserati Grecale targets a specific buyer: the accomplished professional who values substance over status symbols. This isn't the SUV for those seeking maximum badge prestige or the latest gimmicks. Expected pricing positions it between mainstream luxury and ultra-premium territory, offering genuine Italian craftsmanship without the stratospheric costs of flagship models. Against the Mercedes GLE or BMW X5, the Grecale offers distinct personality and superior comfort philosophy. Compared to Range Rover, it provides more engaging dynamics with comparable luxury. My verdict is that Maserati has created something increasingly rare: a luxury SUV that prioritizes the driver's long-term satisfaction over short-term wow factor. For those of us who appreciate when automotive excellence serves genuine purpose rather than mere spectacle, the Grecale represents a compelling choice that will age gracefully both mechanically and aesthetically. For those appreciating when automotive excellence serves genuine purpose rather than mere theater, the Grecale represents a compelling proposition that will mature gracefully both mechanically and aesthetically in ways touchscreen-heavy competitors simply cannot.